Hello, today I'm propagating the inch plant, or as I knew it for my entire life, the wandering Jew. But apparently now you're not supposed to call it that, you're supposed to call it the wandering dude. It's a bit strange, I suppose, but pretty easy to propagate. You probably don't want to do three in a bottle, you probably just want to do one, but I had success doing three before, so I'm doing three again. You just want to cut the bottom leaves off so that it has a bit of stem area to shoot the roots out of. And you can leave it in there for a couple weeks and it'll shoot out roots. I'm going to be potting into these. These are peanut butter jars that are emptied out. And this one's a tiny bit smaller, so I'm going to put one of them in here and two of them in here. And they will reproduce themselves naturally through by shooting up new ones from underground. So you can reproduce them pretty easily after you have one that is in good health. So I'm going to pot these up. Okay, I'm going to want to get them out of this bottle really carefully. I don't want to break the roots off. That would really ruin everything. Okay, you can see the roots I got here. Oh, focus? Will it focus on it? Yeah. I probably could have left them a little longer to let them root a bit, get some bigger roots. But this will be fun. So this is our bigger one. I'll do the... Or no, this is our bigger pot? No, this is our smaller pot. Okay, so I'm going to put these two... I'm going to put these two in here. I'm going to put them on either side. Just deep enough. I'm just putting the roots just a little bit under. That should be amazing. This one's not rooted so much either. Okay, now I'm gonna give them both some water. And, oh shit, this one's falling over. I might put more dirt in this one even. I like how it focuses on the background instead of... Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put my huge, massive 1080p camera down. Okay, I got it standing up now. We are good. Hopefully these don't fall over now. I think I put them a bit deeper. These plants really don't need much light, so I'm not going to put them in my bright grow light areas. And they don't need much water either, so after this I'm really not going to water them until they get a bit dry. I'm just going to empty this whole bottle because I might as well. Okay. I think these jars that just won't get focused on should fill up with roots maybe in a couple months. So that is hype.